Hi, my name is Soumik Pradhan,
Hi, I'm Om Gaikwad.
Hi, my name is Nachiket.
and this is our project 2 for UFO sightings in United States. The reason why we chose United States is because we saw a lot of data points and interesting insights, which is all in our documentation. For seagulls, we have the color by year, month. Again, the reason behind all the color choices in the documentation, you can select the different maps, which has out and clearly written in a documentation as well. We have a refresh button as well. And the way we chose a linear format is because we wanted to have a consistent layout rather than we also explored the grid version, but we prefer to have a linear layout as well.
For our timeline, we have created a timeline over the years. It basically shows how the number of sightings have increased over decades. And as you can see, there are more sightings in 2000 after 2000. We have implemented brushing on the timeline, and as you can see, after we implement the brush, the data points on the map have vanished. We have also implemented x-axis brushing. So yeah, and we have also implemented the similar kind of brushing for rest of the maps. This is sightings by months, and as you can see there we have implemented brushing plus the most number of sightings have occurred in July. This is our time of the day chart. Earlier we thought we could implement the scatter plot, but then we went with a bar graph because that was easy to brush. Then we have the frequency of sightings by encounter length. We have had very short duration them into custom sections of intervals, and we have implemented brushing as well.
Just to note, we also have demand on feed tooltips on our map as well to see more information. And the reason why we chose the coloring is, as I mentioned in the documentation, we do have brushing for the shapes map, but because the data set is so large and a lot of shapes are present, it takes around 10 seconds for it to load and then reflect on the map. But we will move on and see how it works. Yeah, it already is there and it also moves on the x-axis. Nachiket?
Yep. Finally, moving on, we have the word clouds. As you can see, I basically have a pre-processed data set that I use for this, which had all like the top taken from all the descriptions of the different encounters. As you see, if we select the word lights, the map lights up with all the points that display the frequently words as lights. If we have, let's say, a smaller use word, like blue was only used for 0.9 of the top 50 encounters, and there we go. The data set is similarly much smaller. And that's about it. That's our workload, and that's our project, and this is our group signing off.
Also for the word cloud as well. Yeah, thank you.
Yep, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'm not doing it. Somebody else sent it.